Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Plannerzoid here. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing one of my little lifestyle purse videos. So I thought today would be a fun day to do a what's in my bag video. So I'm simply just gonna show you what's in my bag. I thought it would be fun to make this video solely because I'm a primary user of small bags, like pretty much only small bags. I might have a couple of larger bags, but I barely use them. Small bags are always my go-to. I just love them because they're just so convenient, you know? It's already bad enough we gotta carry all this stuff because they don't want to give us pockets. So I try to keep my bag small because the larger the bag gets, the more items I put in there, the heavier it gets on my shoulders. I don't like it. So I just wanted to do a what's in my bag to show you that a lot of my bags that I have fit a lot of the essential things, and you actually don't have to carry as much as you think you do. So this is the Michael Kors bag, the Michael Kors Bradshaw bag. If you want to look at my previous bag reviews, definitely take a look. I have about 10 videos on my channel, and it's in a playlist, by the way, just showing bag reviews of my bags. This one is, I think, now probably an older style, so you probably won't see it on the website. I know when I tried to look this morning because I wanted to give you guys more information about it, it wasn't on the website, so you might have to go buy it from somewhere else. But I did get this bag from the Michael Kors website at the time, and it's probably been 1 to 2 years now since I've had it, definitely over a year. So it's still in great condition. I take good care of all my bags. I do also plan to do a video in the future just showing how I care for my bags and store and everything. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos. But anyway, let's get to the bag. This is how the bag looks more up close. I really hope you guys can see that. There are 2 types of this bag. It might be more, but as far as I saw, it was only 2 types of this bag, which is the woven pattern and then the plain pattern. So the plain is basically this part just plain. So it's gonna look like this all around. So this is how the front looks. The bottom has no feet. It does come with a crossbody strap, so the longer strap. However, I love carrying it like this. It can go on your shoulder, so it's really cute. I'll probably show that at the end. But yeah, as you can see, it's truly a small bag. You can also carry it like a clutch if you want to. I do that sometimes too. So it truly is a small bag. So yeah, the back has a pocket. In this pocket, this is where I put my iPhone 13 Pro Max, whatever it's called, the large size iPhone. I put it in this pocket, and it does have a case on it, and it does fit. I would show you, however, I use my phone to film my videos, so yeah. But it does fit. It does fit a large size phone. So on the inside, you simply just push a button to open it. So you push from the bottom and it opens up. On the inside, this is how it looks. So I don't carry a lot of things, like I said, so this might be a short video. But in the inside, I put business cards in this little pocket, and then I have my wallet. I will do a further review video on the wallet because this is only part of a wallet. It's not the full wallet. It's only part of a bigger size wallet. But the bigger size wallet is a little too big to fit in here, so I only took the smaller part. And then I have my charger. So Apple has, you know, these portable chargers now. It's okay. It's not bad. It does its job. Just make sure you charge it though. Then I have my AirPods. I recently just took them out of the case, but even with a bulky case, it fits. Like the last case I had on was some kind of cute unicorn llama thing or whatever, but it's a pretty bulky case, and it does fit in here as well. So if you have one of those really fun cartoon cases, it should fit. And then I have a little bit of perfume that I like to carry with me. The bottle says We Juicy Couture, but it's not. I've been ran out of it, and I just put the Bath and Body Works in there. So This is not Juicy Couture. The bottle just says Juicy Couture. Ben ran out. And then I have my Vaseline. So this is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the pink one. I do like the coconut one, which is, you know, like the brown one, the regular petroleum, whatever. So I do like that one better than this one. This one leaves my lips feeling a little bit sticky, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna try to use it up. So I just use this one when I'm just like on the go. And the other one I use like while I'm at home. So yeah. And then I don't think I have anything in this part. Oh, yes I do. Oh wow. What is this? Oh, an old receipt. But the main thing I do always keep in this part, I try to keep the little Michael Kors like care booklet. I don't know why. I don't have nowhere else to put it. And I don't think I really use the zipper like that. So let me show you the inside while it's empty. Well, this part isn't empty. Let me empty it out completely. Just a bunch of business cards. So it's pretty spacious, actually. If you think about it, if you're only carrying the essential stuff, it's pretty spacious. And it has two pockets on the inside. One is a zip pocket that closes, and the other one is more of an open pocket. And then the inside is just, you know, one full pocket, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much the inside of the bag. And then a lot of the times I don't put a lot in my small bags, but this bag can actually fit a little more than what I already have in it, surprisingly. So for example, a lot of my viewers are planners, particularly micro planners. So if you do have a regular size micro planner, not a chunky, but the regular with the mini disc, it should actually fit in here. But is it going to fit in here with the rest of your stuff? Not sure. So that's definitely something you'll have to try with this little bag. But overall, if you go back and look at my bag reviews, you'll get more intel on them. I also thought about doing reviews again, but more thorough this time, because when I looked back at my old videos, it was a review, but I also felt like it was more of an overview than an in-depth review. So I'm thinking about going more in-depth with dimensions and everything. So let me know if you want to see that. I don't mind going through my bags again. I have a small collection. Plus, they're all really cute, and I'm very proud of them and the work that I put to get them. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this bag. I love this bag. It's my go-to bag, actually. This bag is a bag that I actually wear the most, and you'll actually see compared to my other bags, it's a tiny bit of wear and tear, just a little bit. I hope you guys can see that, just a little bit. But that's like probably the only spot, because I take really good care of my bags. So if you want to see more in-depth reviews, bag care videos, comment down below. I'll be glad to do them. Like, I love my bags. And then also, another thing that I want to add to my channel is I'm going to be doing bag reviews, but with newer bags. So I do have a couple of new bags that's on the way to the house. So I'm so excited to review them with you guys. So yeah, just let me know. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos because I have a lot to say about small bags. I love small bags. They're just so convenient and easy to use. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day and stay tuned. Like and subscribe.